Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on your TikTok account. You can also change the background picture as well from the place I'm going to show you. So first thing, let's launch the TikTok app guys, and let's click on the lower right corner. Let's click on the profile, and in this example what you want to do guys, you want to click on the button edit profile. When you're over here, you have two options. You can click on change photo and upload a brand new photo, or you can take a picture from yourself with the camera right now, or you can change the profile picture with the video, right? You can click change with the video and you will be able to edit your profile picture with the actual video itself. You can also edit your bio from here guys, and you can also edit your social media links such as Instagram or YouTube. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.